Hello everyone, this is Linda and I'm in the kitchen today, y'all. So I promised my friend Marie over at Southern Country Living that I would try cooking her potatoes recipe. So this is mine, okay? So we have some potatoes, I have some turkey sausage, and this is all of my dry seasoning. So it's garlic powder, onion powder, uh, paprika, pepper, and some Paul seasoning at the end, right there. At the end, I'm gonna put some shrimps in it, and this is all my fresh seasoning that I just cut up. So there's orange and green bell peppers. There's garlic in there. There's some parsley from the garden, and some white onion and green onion. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna cook, y'all. This is for my lunch. All right, guys. Let me peel some potatoes, okay? Ooh. I'm just waiting for this oil to get warm, and it's not. So I peeled my potatoes. All right, so let's get these potatoes in here. Now my thing is for my potatoes, I do like for my potatoes to get some color on them, just a little. So we're gonna let them fry up a little. We'll be back. All right, guys, so my potatoes are frying good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just go on and fry all my potatoes, and then I'll be back, okay? All right, guys, as you can see, she's rolling. So what I've done is I've added a cup, 2 cups of water in here, and now I'm just gonna add my vegetables, all of this goodness. Now, y'all, I'm extra when it comes to this, so you know that's just the way I do it. Also, one thing else I forgot to tell you all, I'm gonna use some margarine. Yeah. So this is about 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons. And I'm gonna add my sausage in it now. Oh yeah. Now I'm not gonna add my shrimps until at the end. So mainly this is all of my seasonings I'm gonna put in, my powdered seasonings. Yeah. So now I'm gonna give this all a good stir. And basically I just want to just let it cook down. Gravy, this great color. But also, I have some paprika in there too, so yeah. But when Joseph and Joandra was young, I used to cook this, and I'm telling you, I used to cook the whole 5-pound bag of potatoes like this, and the kids would love it. They would absolutely love it, and it would last us a while, at least 2 days. And one thing I knew, they were getting full. So this was one of my really go-to meals for my kids, because it lasts, it's not expensive, and it had them full. When they ate this, man, they slept good. Yeah, they slept really good. But anyway, I'm gonna let this cook for 5 minutes or so, and this is on like a number 4 on my stove. I'm gonna cover it up, and then just let those potatoes get soft, and let all the flavors from the vegetables get in, and then I'll be back, guys. All right, guys, so this is my finished meal. So now I'm gonna plate a little bit. Now I was gonna use these shrimps here, but I'm so glad that I didn't put them in early because a friend of mine called and she's allergic. So yeah, I want to share it with her. So I'm gonna leave them out. I'll fry some if someone wants some fried shrimp. But yeah, it's steamy. So I'm gonna fix a plate and I'll share it with you all. Give me a second. Alright guys, so this is my lunch for today. And this is my white potatoes, sausage. I have rice in there, y'all. And just some lettuce and tomatoes. And I have some mango peach drink right here. My grandkids bought me that yesterday. Oh, it's good. So, let me try this baby. So to Marie over there at Southern Country Living, thank you so much for reminding me of this meal. I haven't had it in a long time, but there she goes. And the potatoes are really nice and soft, and you can taste all of the seasonings in there. Yeah. The bell pepper. Oh yeah. I love bell peppers. Thank you guys. Thank you, Southern Country Living. Thank you.